Today I'll be doing something which I've been putting off for the longest time, which is a closet purge. To be honest, I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you guys my wardrobe because it's so cluttered. But I'm sure I'm not the only one with this problem, right? Like so many of us, I spend a good part of my mornings deciding what to wear, be it for a special occasion or for work. But you know what? Ain't nobody got time to worry over outfits anymore. To help me declutter my wardrobe, Style Theory has presented me with a challenge. I'll be separating my clothes into 3 different piles. The first will be clothes that I rarely wear. The second will be clothes I have too many variations of. And the third will be my staples pile. The first pile is for clothes that I've worn only once or twice, or clothes which I thought I'd experiment on, but it turns out I was wrong. One of the items that I've left in this pile is this Moroccan-esque kimono which I got for my recent trip to Egypt. I mean, it was great for Egypt, but when I came back to Singapore, I was like, what am I going to do with this? Another item I will be placing in this pile is this yellow shimmery sparkly dress which I got when my friend was throwing a party at a club. I thought I'd wear this a couple more times, but I'm really not a party person and I'm usually in bed by 11 or 12. So this dress is pretty much useless on a person like me. I mean, even my dad tells me to go clubbing. The second pile are for pieces that I've neglected in my wardrobe because I keep buying the same thing over and over again. I mean, look at this. Do I need so many striped tops? You see, this is why I needed this challenge, to show me that I need to stop buying so many variations of the same type of clothing. Besides striped tops, I will also be packing my white dresses into this pile. These are my absolute kryptonite. And the last pile will be my staples. These are items that I can mix and match with almost anything. They are a good mix of jeans, denim jackets, leather jackets, round neck tops, and turtlenecks. And I'm finally done! I'm a cluttered space, cluttered mind kind of person, so decluttering my wardrobe this afternoon has been really therapeutic. I think this challenge has definitely made me rethink my shopping habits. I need to be smarter and savvier when it comes to my wardrobe. Which is why I think a rental service like Style Theory is really useful. It allows you to try new styles and new clothes without adding to any wardrobe space at all. So I urge you guys to try out this decluttering challenge and to sort out your clothes using this 3-pile method. I assure you that you'll feel so much more accomplished after that. So for more updates and style tips, follow Style Theory and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!